Pero dito yung ano, nakakabit yung bagong compressor na. Hindi ko binabayad.
Alin yung trip?
Yung bago. Hindi ko ano to eh. Kasi pumutok din siya. Ang nga titingnan ko.
My friend, no? Look, come. Your compressor, no good. Umbis mo na mag-sign ka? Mag-sign ka pa nagdaga?
Ano.
Paano ang kulang yun?
Then yung ginamit ko dito na.
Look, my friend. This new compressor. All high ampere. Look, come. LG brand. LG. Look. All high ampere. Jadid. No good. Jadid, no good. Maybe same cameraman.
Same you. Same. See, no power. Oh my God. Please help him.
Can you hold this?
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
You gonna remove this compressor.
LG compressor, no good eh. Look.
Yes. Same Buddha. You know Buddha? Buddha means very old person.
Look, Jadid, high ampere. Woo!
See, this man showing our body.
LG no good. LG zero.
You looking for a khatmal in your mask?
Yes, sir! This is too much scandal.
Look, come. It's made in Thailand, no? Made in Thailand. LG. All high ampere. Oh, Thailand. No good. All kacha, ha? Don't buy LG compressor made from Thailand.
Should be from China.
Should be from China.
But you don't buy Corona. Don't buy Corona.
Double work.
Yes, double word. Triple word. Don't buy Corona, Sadiq. Only buy things.
Kailan na kayo?
Huh?
Made in Thailand.
Oo. Ano na yung pinagkakabit namin? Sila sa...
Already pipe compressor, defective, oh. Factory defect. Video!
Yes, continue. You is only disturbing. Nice video comment, then you disturb. Set.
What's the nut? This?
See.
Pipe compressor.
Isa na all. Damage ha?
Yes, damage.
All. Be careful with that man. That man very.
Pipe compressor. How much it's? 600 real.
For each.
Look. Also double work eh. Already fixed in the unit but defective eh. What you have to do?
What you gonna do?
Where's the screw, Sadiq? Where did you put the screw?
There. This one very hard worker. Only his swing. But he's actually not hard worker here.
Another one. Are Look, I'm sweetening, no?
This water. Please don't believe
It's
him.
not drama.
This only water. Before he go bathroom, then put all
It's not
water.
drama. It's true.
See, compressor sometimes fire like that. See, all fire. All burn.
As you can see, mga kaibigan, as you can see, guys, we are removing the
You speak in Philippine language. Tagalog.
po namin yung compressor na bago, sira na, double board, factory defective, LG compressor, no good. No good. Should be change brand.
This word no Philippine language, only no good, direct no good. No in Philippine language. See?
LG compressor, hindi maganda. Huwag yung bibilihin.
No, compressor. Compressor, do know any word to Philippine language? Set.
Compressor.
See, set.
Makina.
Makina Arabic.
No good, no good. No good, right? I'm sweetening, oh, because of that.
See, he forget one thing. Look at guys. He forget this.
No, bali. Put inside. Where?
See.
What's the screw?
Bad. See, powerfully. Powerful, see?
See? Strong. Just focusing, okay?
See. This compressor maybe now 30 kg.
No, 40.
No, 30. Seriously 40?
Pahirap tong LG compressor na to. Huwag kayong bibili to, mga kabayan. Made in Thailand. High ampere. LG Zero. Compressor, LG Zero.
Now LG also same China because China is stop now.
Look. Panglima na to, panlima. Ay, pang-anim. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's gonna 6. We have also there one.
So good. Pahirap. Pagod na ako pero kailangan gawin. Kasi padadali tayo sa employer natin. Employer ko pala. Cameraman ko, hindi maayos eh. Mapibok eh.
See? I helping him, then again set.
Amrit, what is your dish today? What is your recipe for dinner?
No chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Chicken. Middle level, middle size of chicken.
Huh?
Middle size of chicken.
Because I'm very tired today. I want to eat
No issue. Saba.
too much.
Saba.
Huh?
Saba. See, nice body, oh guys. Only sometimes. Tomorrow, 0. Only today.
Look, I'm sweating.
This water. Don't
No, this is not water. This is not a pig. I'm not joking. What do you think? I'm joking?
See,
Look, guys.
we waste a lot of time here.
Bagong-bago. Walang gas-gas. Dati kasi yung aming compressor na ginamit, within China, okay naman siya. Tapos nagpalit siya ng shipment siguro galing Thailand.
China before we have good. No anyone complain.
Korea
Not-
also good.
Thailand,
But
we have
Thailand, high ampere, why like this?
same. No any comments.
Huh? Same Nepal sometimes.
Nepal very good. Bye. You please.
Sometimes Filipino, sometimes.
Too much sweating more. There, see.
I'm very tired. Because of this.
Yes, tomorrow.
Because of this. Because you not willing to help me. You're my cameraman all the time. Okay?
Not
I will give you salary every month. Yes! 2,000 real. Except your salary company.
2000 very small. As a professional cameraman, then you said like that. I leave your company. I will resign.
Look, I will remove the compressor, ha?
I will resign. I will resign. Wait a minute.
Excuse.
Natanggal ko siya kasi ano. Pahirap to, pahirap. Pahirap ang LG compressor. Made in Thailand. Pero yung mga babae sa Thailand, quality. Pero ang compressor, hindi quality.
Pati babae. Babae, may ng babae ngayon.
Ha?
Wala ko, depression lang.
Eh, kasi quality sa babae sa
Tayo ng mga babae.
hindi ang babae sa Thailand, quality. Itong compressor, ewan ko bakit hindi quality. Same Nepal eh, quality.
Sa Pilipinas, may bot siya. Sa Thailand, may bot siya din.
Same Nepal eh, quality. Sometimes not quality.
Ha?
Yes,
Why?
but my friend, my cameraman, quality.
Yes, yes, yes. Correct.
Yes,
Sure?
yes.
Maybe duplicate also. Parang mo camera man. Ha?
Maybe, maybe.
Original.
Tingnan? Lugod sa rin? Duplicate? Duplicate camera man?
You duplicate? Ha?
Hindi, duplicate. But very good this guy. I like it.
Pahirap tong ano to, tong LG na to, double work. Boy nabubuhay sa compressor na LG na to. Nakakapwisit. LG no good. For good now no good. Compressor high ampere. Why like that? Why like that production? No checking, no QC. Look, it's easy. Ah. How much? 650. How much all? Oh.
50 isa niya.
Oh. Yan. 650 real. Qatari real.
Noon pa rin ha.
Ang mahal, pino mo?
Porchano.
Babalik ka, di babalik. Pag hindi na binalikan, tatago yung tindahan nila doon. Basta kap, di sana. Ha? So, pawis na ako, guys, oh. Ang cameraman ko, no good eh. Fully lapping eh.
Hindi na ba no? Good?
I will give you salary 22,000 real.
Sir? Handsome man.
Sandal, my friend.
Hi. Only hi.
Not hello? Oy, hi. No hello?
Like a ladies, hi.
Maybe you, pari, ano yun?
Bakalaw.
Bakala yung bakala. Tumsing bakla. Ano yung bakla?
Epaliho. Epaliho.
This bag no one bag.
Huh?
This one bag, huh? So Checking only. See. Oh my God.
Wow!
John Cena.
I-flex mo yung abs mo sa buhok. Yeah.
Back. Yes.
Si camera, look camera.
Camera.
Ayun.
Commercial. Magbabayad kayo sa ano ko, sa vlog ko kasi nag-extra kayo. Sa tuwas na ako dahil kapit tanggal yung nangyari. Ang mahirap pa doon guys, naikabit na namin sa customer yung compressor. Tapos tumigil. Nag-high ampere, di ba? Baba ulit. Ang hirap talaga ng OFW. Kaya ako yayaman. Kung sa yabang lang, marami na ako, yaman na lang wala eh.
What will English?
I need to say, I'm already boastful. I need the money to become rich.
You're only joking. You have a lot of money.
Hindi ako mayabang guys ha. Sobrang yabang. Please introduce yourself to my vlog, please. What is your name? Tell you. Why? What is your name?
No.
You know, because my subscribers also need to know your name because you're my cameraman eh. Did you like that? Cameraman ko na yan.
पूरा कंप्रेसर खराब थे
Cameraman ko na yan guys. Ano yan?
Yung hostel yun, Ravi.
Important
Sorry.
yan. Yung cameraman ko. From ano yan? Mount Everest. Hindi pa right?
Yes.
From Mount Everest. Gurkha.
गोरखा
Yes? Gurkha.
not Gurkha
Gurkha?
Gurkha
Gurkha. Yeah. Gurkha. Gurkha. Same ano ha? Same.
you check on Google you get message
Same dragon. Very strong. Same tiger. Hello. I know the story of Gurkha. I know. Gurkha is very dangerous.
not dangerous check guys
Pang ano na yun guys, pang-anim na yun, pang-anim. Inailang kaya itong sira na.
see
No. This no.
this one
This no. Just focus sa kakalawin niya. No extra. Okay? So if somebody want to extra, need to pay, ha? Okay? Mate, you going to cook now?
maybe like
Huh?
what is
This no, it's good. Remember how many compressor you remove in now? In 2 or 3. Senyo or no?
Yes, you already removed it. LG.
About this? I think this was also.
This is new?
Huh?
No. All I checked from that.
This is new?
All old.
Ah,
Sure.
maybe your eyes.
Check. Because when we fix, we have new terminal, right? Check. Sir.
Look. This one good. Okay. Need to remove. Kandar, how are you? This is my friend Kandar. From Carla. Carla?
Please, some speech. Only hi, Alatul hi.
All Filipino there in the Philippines.
What do you like to say in Philippine ladies?
Hey! Sakit!
Himself ladies, what is that?
Huh?
Himself ladies.
Seven compressor. High ampere. LG, please.
6.
Please, LG. Why like this? Look. LG. Huh? Tutan. LG. High ampere. Made in China. Uy, what's this one? China? Huh?
No, it is good, sir. Don't take.
Oy.
This before we met.
Oh, we have very close.
Maybe Dennis make, sir.
Hmm?
Maybe Dennis make.
Oh, open eh. Ajib, un compressor karaban jadid. Don't buy LG ah. I will advise you, don't buy LG. LG compressor. Made in Thailand. It's double work eh.
तुम्हारे अंदर चेन का वीडियो चाहिए
Trail dyan. Baka gusto niya namang
berarti apa tuh
sa 15 na binili namin na compressor. Alimang high ampere?
मेरे वो ऐसा मतलब
Why like that?
मेरे पे
Why like that? Tomorrow you wait tomorrow.
मेरे पे जो होना है
But we need tomorrow 2 times.
आइसोलेटर होना चाहिए
Tutan? Yeah, right? I don't understand you. You're my real friend or not? Look, you're still laughing? Even I'm tired already. Why you like that? You're really my friend? Huh? Tell me. Buddha? Buddha? What Buddha? What Buddha? Hey, hello my friend. How are you? I'm from Bangladesh. You're from Bangladesh. From Bangladesh. From here?
Sir, we have an idea.
You're from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh. 3, 4, 5, 6 compressor. Amrit, you can install here tomorrow.
No, Friday.
Huh?
Friday.
What you going to do? Practice. 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 Okay guys, tapos na ako maggalag ng compressor. Siyempre, pahinga na. So lahat to high ampere. High ampere siya. Nakapagod din maghapong trabaho, tapos ganito pa nangyari.
त्यो रातो नहोले
Tapos na ang aking pagkakalag ng pressure, nagtatanggal. Papay namin ito sa
बॉडी को
supplier. You don't know? It's very easy. It's very easy. Oh, like this, oh. Right?
Yes.
It's easy, right? It's easy.
इट्स इजी
Easy. It's easy. Right? Good. Inom muna tayo ng tubig.
Yes.
Yung baso ko.
आओ वो डॉटे ओ माय
Linis, di ba?
Easy, pare.
सेकंड बुक माफी को नहीं है
Too much. Yeah, like it's only. Okay. Okay guys, bye-bye. Hanggang dito na yung vlog ko. At ako'y pagod na, magkapahinga na. Bye-bye!